A dehumidifier is a very simple machine. It has a compressor. This works much like the compressor in your refrigerator. It makes things cold. And in this case, it makes these coils cold right here. What will happen is this fan turn on, and it sucks warm, moist, humid air through your filter, which keeps the dust out, and through these coils. And when that warm, moist, humid air hits the coils, the humidity condenses and drips down into this drain tray, into your water container right here. This rises with the water level, and when that rises to a certain height, it hits the overflow switch, and your water container won't overflow. The on-off control knob controls the humidistat, and this determines how much humidity you'd like taken out of the air. There's a small light here that tells you when your water container is full.